If you're looking to turn your truck's bed into an actual bed, then you should definitely check out the Rightline Gear Truck Bed Air Mattress, available for all 97 and newer F150s. Now, the Rightline option here will work for any size truck bed and include extras like your electric air pump, in addition to a carrying case for right around the $80 price tag, while the install itself, if you can even call it that, will simply involve inflating the air mattress and placing it into your truck. So therefore, let's go 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter here, and essentially as long as it takes for this thing to inflate to complete the job. So this air mattress will obviously appeal to those truck owners out there who do a lot of camping and want to be a bit more comfortable sleeping in the bed of your truck as opposed to sleeping on the ground, which, let's be honest, sleeping in the bed will certainly have some pros. Now, this air mattress in particular will fit nicely into any size or length bed and can be used either with or without a bed tent of your choosing. For instance, we do also offer the Rightline truck tent here on the site that you can find as well. Now, even though it's currently uninflated here on my table, when inflated, the dimensions of the mattress will be 80 inches in length, 51 inches wide, and finally 7 inches tall. So yes, even though you can fit it in just about any size or length bed, you will have to keep that tailgate folded down on those short bed trucks, 5.5 footers, which if you're using a corresponding Rightline tent is something that you're really gonna have to do anyway due to the design of the tent, but just something to keep in mind. Construction-wise, you're gonna find a very durable PVC material here for the mattress itself, which will be puncture resistant, but let's face it, not invincible. So in the event something does puncture the mattress, Rightline has included a patch kit with the mattress to get you back up and running. They've also tossed in a 12-volt based electric air pump here with your lighter style attachment or hookup, which most trucks have in the interior nowadays anyway. Now, that guy will be used in conjunction with the easy inflate valve on the mattress itself to get this thing up and ready in a matter of seconds, while deflating the mattress will be done just as quickly. Finally, guys, everything is going to live inside your included nylon sack here, just for ease of transportation and storage when everything is not in use. But now we want to show you just how quickly you can get the Rightline mattress up and running in your rig at home. So without further ado, here's a brief little demo of the product.
All right, so the first step to getting our mattress laid out into our bed is actually to lay it out on the ground prior. You want to make sure that you have a clean surface. You can use your yard, you can use inside the house, wherever you're going to have enough space for this mattress. So we're going to open it up, spread it all out. We're going to make sure that the sheet surface is up. It's kind of felt-like material. And the valves are towards the rear of the tailgate. I'm going to take this plastic protection off the valve here, open it up, and you can see that there is a little check valve there to help keep that air in. Next, we're going to hook up the pump and pump it up. So our next step is to pump up our mattress. This is a 12-volt pump. We're just going to plug it right into our camping vehicle, and then we're going to use the largest of the 3 nozzles and put it on the inflate end right there. All right, let's pump up our air mattress. All right, so now that our pump is plugged in, let's fill up our mattress. All right, once your air mattress is pumped up, we're just going to place our cap over that valve. We're also going to close up this one as well. Now, the instructions say to make sure that you leave this inflated for a couple hours before sitting on top of it. That is just for the plastic in the mattress to expand. That's the reason why when you wake up in the middle of the night, you are halfway onto the bottom of the ground. It's because the mattress is still expanding. So this may settle a little bit, but we'll fill it back up and then put it in the truck. So that's going to wrap up my install of the Rightline Gear Truck Bed Air Mattress. And for all things F-150, keep it here at AmericanTrucks.com.